My name is Mark Winkle. I'm the president of Windy City Wire.
My name is Mike Martin, and I'm the plant manager in charge of manufacturing. We looked at our material handling issue, and that was what we thought was the best application to kind of help reduce some of the repetitive labor from the workforce. We're anticipating at least a 25% increase amongst the 4 associates that work in that area. Financially, at our current level, we would have had to have added another employee and another piece of equipment. So by seeing and realizing this increase, it's really a cost avoidance. We didn't have to add another associate per shift and another piece of equipment. As well, the intangible is what's the cost of a back injury. We've been fortunate we haven't had any injuries, but this definitely is a step in the right direction to help us minimize the risk of ever having a back injury from material handling.
But we do have some repetitive functions in our distribution side of our business, in the packaging end, and we're going to take a look at that because there might be some opportunities there.
Overall, it's been a good experience. There's always a learning curve anytime you try to implement a system such as this. But from the upfront initial visits through the presentation and then the final delivery installation and implementing it into manufacturing, it's been a positive experience, and I think we've all learned something from it. There's a couple of reasons. One, we were wanting to find a local company. I know from past experience there's always some support that's needed, and it's good to be able to find a local source for that so they can respond quickly when needed. Second, we actually had 3 different companies come in and look at what we were trying to accomplish, and all 3 came in and gave us their solutions, the presentation, and we thought RSI was the best prepared, had the best presentation. The employees like it a lot better. We have seen the increase in our productivity, especially as we head into our heavier working months right now. So overall, I think it's been a very, very positive experience, from the ordering to the implementation to the programming, and making the tweaks that are obviously necessary anytime you have a project like this.
I think there's no doubt that industrial robotics will continue to expand. What we would like to see, and through Jacob's house, he's gotten quite a few people out in the plant interested in looking at the mechanical side of the robot as opposed to just utilizing the function of it. And we hope there's a migration of employees that maybe are replaced on the manual labor side, but they get into the technological side, and we're pretty excited about that because there are a couple guys out there that have talked about that. So that's a very positive sign for the future.